If you're looking for a luxury Airbnb that is going to generate some serious revenue, you've got to come take a look at this in person. This hill country retreat pays for itself. Welcome to 256 Charro Vista Drive, a luxury Airbnb in the heart of the hill country. Let's take a look. This property commands nearly $1,000 a night, and it's easy to see why. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a pool, hot tub, outdoor games, a pool area. It has a home theater. You can understand why. Take a look at these super tall ceilings, this amazing gas fireplace. It really anchors the home. Can't you just imagine hanging out here with your friends and having an amazing weekend? Over here, we have a half bath, incredibly practical, but the real fun stuff is over here. We've got this amazing game room with your pool table and other games. You've got Giant Jenga and Connect 4. This goes out, looks out over the outdoor area. We have a gorgeous kitchen with all of the modern conveniences you would expect in a home that was built in 2023. You've got your waterfall countertops, stainless steel Z-line appliances throughout, and really it has everything you need to have a wonderful stay here. Over here, we have our primary bedroom. It's incredibly spacious with a king-size bed. On the first level, it has an incredibly big primary bathroom too. You have your soaking tub, stand-up shower, and complete his and hers closets also. Over here, we have a huge walk-in pantry. I mean, it's big enough you could sleep a toddler in there if you wanted to. And then back here is one of my favorite areas. I love this getting ready nook. Can't you just imagine getting your hair and makeup done with all your girlfriends before a big event? It'd be awesome. And for the dudes, we have this amazing home theater. Come take a look. With seating for 12, a popcorn machine, karaoke, this is where you can really relax and have a good time. Can you get me some popcorn? Okay, so we've seen some of the fun spaces downstairs. Let's go take a look upstairs. So up here, we have 3 additional bedrooms and 2 additional bathrooms. This is the bonus room, another area where you can just relax and enjoy your time here. On your right, we have one of the additional bathrooms. And then this is one of the guest bedrooms. This one has 4 queen beds, so this place sleeps a ton of people. Over on this side, we have an additional 2 bedrooms, and these guys are connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Again, it's all beautiful quartz countertops. We've got modern, new finishes throughout this entire home. And then this guest bedroom has a full king-size bed. So that's great if you're looking to really attract luxury guests. So we've seen downstairs, we've seen upstairs. Let's go take a look outside because this is where you can really have some fun. So out here, you have great spaces where everyone can gather together. I mean, you have this beautiful outdoor covered patio with the ceiling fan and a TV. You have your hot tub, and it just gets better from here. This great big yard where you can play all sorts of games with your friends. You've got cornhole, a fire pit, and then this all backs to a green space, so it's super private and serene. Over here, we have the pool. This was just built and it's really great. You could just lounge out here, soak up the Texas sun. Does life get any better than this? Got 2 fire pit tables, plenty of lounging around space, and you can really see how the entire group can have plenty of room while you're enjoying your stay here. Oh. It was close. Can't always get it. But it is great that you have all this space for outdoor games. And then we have a nice outdoor fire pit over here as well. You can roast marshmallows. And it all backs to this green space, which is nice. So you don't have any neighbors. So if you're looking for a luxury Airbnb that is going to generate some serious revenue, you've got to come take a look at this in person. Give me a call.